There are simple piston rings that both have a gap on the one end. And this is where they fit the turbo. The turbine side seal is going to fit right there, and it has a gap right at the top. The compressor side seal is a little smaller and it fits up here inside that seal housing. Now we'll go over the makeup of a turbo, leaking issues, and the general causes of a leaking turbo. You see, a turbo has a piston ring right on the turbine side and also on the compressor side. This is a stationary O-ring. The actual seal is located inside of here. A turbo seal is not a true seal. If you could see up here, there is a piston ring, and if you could see up here, you would see that this seal has a gap in it. This is the oil inlet on the top and the oil outlet on the bottom. The oil comes into the oil inlet here, and it goes down these two tunnels to the journal bearing. And then it basically drains out. It's a gravity drain. It also has a little path here that takes oil up to the front thrust bearing as well. There is no true seal in the turbo. What really helps them not leak are things called oil slings. Can you see that this has a little angle right here? As the oil hits here while this is spinning, it will sling or force the oil out and away from the seal.